As we mourn Raila Odinga, most importantly, his political party, all the legislators are top-notch lawyers. These are the people who have protected Raila Odinga for 30 years. If you look at Raila's team, James Orengo, Otieno Kajwang, late, Omolo Atiende, Karoli Omondi, Peter Kaluma, Edwin Sifuna, Stewart Matier, Catherine Muma, Mile Odhiambo, the bad girl, Beatrice Oyomo, Tom Ojieda, Okongo Mgeni, Mohamed Faki, Ochieng, and Babu Owino. Great minds. Great minds. Then nyinyi munanipatia Kawanjiku, Wamatinga, Wamakeki. Ate nani? Ate nani? Ate Wamabosho. Good people, my people. My people. Your leader is in trouble. He has no foot soldiers. You have given him togeges. Yet you sit here, great minds. Great minds. And you can see the lawyers you gave me have stood for the people. Gasheri, Wakili Moreu, Kagushia. I'm asking you tonight. The party that I have formed to look for government and to protect the interest of our people, the DCP, I'm looking for 140 legislators. I am requesting this group here tonight to give me 40 lawyers to back me up.